Well, good afternoon to you. We're doing a spot of ploughing here into the short ground now, and we're using the Claas 420. We sprayed off the corn which has germinated. We've got the loader off. We've managed to fit some weights on the front to keep it down. The RabeWerk 145 furrow plough. We usually use on the John Deere 6430, but we had that one hitched up to the sprayer there yesterday, so we thought we'd try the Claas in the plough, and it's doing a very good job actually, very good performance. We're in a nice level field here, so it's not too bad for ploughing. We might struggle a bit if we was in a hill. So, bearing it fairly well. It's been all sprayed off, so it'll die off anyway, and this is going into winter oats. Turn the plough over. As you see, we're into the short ground here now. Not a lot left to do. And then we've got a blade to plough after this. There we are. Thank you for watching.